Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and as I kind of promised I would show how to finish this puzzle, I went ahead and finished this puzzle, and they're individual parts, and I used some traditional puzzle shapes and some non-traditional, and this was a pretty cool effect, and you got all different, every piece is totally different. There's no two pieces that are the same, but this is all grouped together. And then I took the United States map that we've had lately working around, and I'm going to go to range, power clip, place inside frame, and put it inside my frame. Then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go to group and ungroup. Now, if you engrave this out on some plywood or whatever, you'd have these pieces of puzzle that would be pretty cool for somebody to try to put together. This particular one would be, I think, pretty difficult because there's some blank spots and there's some pure black spots. And if you just told them it was the map of the United States, it might give them a hint, but it would be a little difficult. So that's how I would do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.